Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and you know, one of the most important things about traveling is having a good luggage set. And I'm so happy that we got this 3-piece luggage set from American Green Travel. It is so amazing. I love everything about them. One of the most important things about luggage is for it to be nice and roomy, and you have plenty of space in all 3 pieces. You have 2 different compartments, so it's easier to divide up your clothes, to organize everything. And you can also unzip the middle part to expand all 3 pieces if you need more room as well. 2 larger pieces come with the TSA lock, which is so convenient. You can set your passcode, clip in your zippers, and then you can just put in your correct password and press that button to release and open up your suitcase. They roll super easy. I have to say, this is my favorite thing about these luggage pieces is how smoothly they roll, and that they have these double wheels because it makes it that much more smooth to roll around. And we all know what a hassle it is to carry around heavy luggage that is not easy to roll. So not only are these easy to roll, they have a TSA lock, they're super spacious and beautiful, but they're also very lightweight. So if you're looking for a good quality luggage set, definitely check out American Green Travel. You're going to love the versatility of this luggage set, how easy it is to roll, and the great quality. And that's my point of view.